So here's what I'm using today to finish the car doors, or at least get 3/4 done. White Hannibal primer, fluid film, Bondo rubberized undercoating. I'll show you what I'm doing to the back doors. They were done a year or two ago. As you can see, there's already some rust coming back. So I'm gonna put fluid film right up in these drain holes. Found a rust spot right there. I just sanded a little bit with the hand. With my hand, I'm gonna touch that up, and then I'm gonna undercoat back over that. Actually, I'll use some Rust Restore spray back over. This is the same color, and then I'll undercoat over that. Then on the front door, I primered and then undercoated. I'll primer again, then paint, and then clear coat. Sorry for the lawnmower in the background. I can't help that. I'll show you what I'm using. Let's see here. Yeah, see, this door isn't as bad, not as much rust in this back door, but some Krylon white rust protector, gloss enamel. There's my rust reformer. That's what I need right now. But I sprayed the doors off with water and Goo Gone. I'll take my blower to there and help dry it off.